guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Christine and welcome. So today I'm going to share with you guys some of the things that I manifested in 2020, and I really can't believe it. When I was going through my journal, I was like, oh my god, I wrote this down and I actually manifested it. So before I get into that video, since I missed Vlogmas yesterday and I'm so sorry about that, but I'm going to open my two socks from yesterday and today. So let's see day 5. And yeah, I missed it because I did not, honestly, I didn't have anything to film. Didn't really do much. Went to work with my mom. This is so cute. Oh my god. You guys. This is day 5. Alright. Let's see the next one. This one's like, I'm guessing this one's long. Ow, my finger. How do you guys open this so perfectly? I like rip everything off. It's an elf. Oh my god. It's an elf. This is so cute. Oh my god. This is so cute. Okay, so those are my two socks from day 5 and day 6 of 15 days of socks. So I was going through my journal yesterday and I came across this. It said in 2020, I was like, I want to read this. Like, the year we had, I want to read this. And I read it and I'm like, wait, this did happen. This happened. So I'm going to read to you guys and I'll tell you guys which ones that come true. So in 2020, I will be debt free. I will grow my following on Instagram. I will grow my YouTube channel. I will make more money, double or triple my current income. I will give back more. I will help more people. I will grow as a person. I will take more professional photos with my camera for Instagram. I will get A's in all of my classes. I will sell everything on Mercari, which is a clothing app. I will make more sales for iHeartRaves. I will save more money. I will no longer have anxiety or panic attacks. And I am healed from allergies and all skin conditions. I will be my own boss and I will have my own office. And then I put I can, I will, I am. And oh my god, most of this came true, okay? So, in regards to the first one, I didn't circle it that it came true, but I will be debt free. I did pay off a good chunk of my credit card off. Just right now, it went a little back up, but I can say that I somewhat did go a little bit of debt free with credit cards. I haven't made a video on that, but which I will still pay it off soon, but that's one thing that somewhat did come true. I just didn't circle it because I still have my car and all that. So then I will grow my following on Instagram, which it did. It grew over, we're at 7,000 now, it grew over 4,000, okay, 4,000. And I will grow my YouTube channel. It has been a slow growth, but it's still a growth, so I still count it as I did manifest that because I started the year off, you guys, with 88 subscribers and now we're at 270. So for those of you guys watching, I just want to say thank you so much for supporting me and thank you for subscribing. And you are part of my manifestation journey. Let's see. So I will make more money. I know I put double or triple. So what happened actually in 2020, before the pandemic, right before the pandemic, I did get a raise at my job. So somewhat it did come true, but somewhat it didn't because I lost that. But in the beginning of the year, I did manifest that. I will give back more, which I have. I have donated so much more this year than I have in the previous years. And then I will help more people. I feel like I have this year, based off like my past relationship, I feel like I helped my ex in a way. I feel like I helped a little bit of my friends or people I consider friends that I've known where they came to me for advice and I have been there for them. So, and other than that, I mean, I'm always lending a hand to people who need it. I'm always here trying to help people, so I believe I manifested that as well. I will grow as a person. So this one, I have grown so much this year, so much, like it's crazy. Like if you met me last year or the year before and you met me now, you would know how far I've come and how much of a better person I've become. I have made so many mistakes in my life, so and like especially end of 2017, 2018, and just knowing that I have healed from those things and I have taught myself, I have learned from it, it says a lot. Like, I have really grown as a person. I really have. And I feel like, again, like my last relationship too, like in the last years of it, I had lost myself. I have gone through like a lot. So I feel like I'm finally in a place where I can say I have healed. I'm just so much in such a better place. Like, I really can't explain it. Like, this joy I have, this happiness I have not felt this in such a long time. So I have learned a lot. Let us say that. So I did grow as a person. I will take more professional photos with my camera for Instagram, which I have. I went on a lot of trips that I took pictures and I posted them on my Instagram. And most of the time now I use my camera to take pictures, or my phone, but mostly my camera. So I can say I upped my game a little bit. I will get A's in all of my classes. I did manifest this too, but I mean, I did get, I think it was like 1 or 2 B's. I don't think I got a C. I don't remember. I think I might have gotten a 1 C. That was like my hardest class, like the stats. But I don't think I had a C though. Okay, but let's just say I still had good grades, so I'm still content with that. I will sell everything on Mercari. I did not manifest that. I haven't sold everything on there. But what I did is I did take a lot of the stuff on there and I donated it instead, which goes back to giving back to people. Let's see. I will make more sales for iHeartRave. So I do have a promo code which I'll put in this description, but I did not manifest that, unfortunately, and that is fine. So to continue, it was I will save more money, which I did manifest this too. I had saved more money this year than I have in my entire life. I can say that. I will no longer have anxiety or panic attacks. So from 2018 to 2019, I was having a lot of anxiety and panic attacks. So what I can say is I am doing much better now, and I do know how to handle it now in my little lunch bag. But I have manifested that as well. I have learned like how to cope with it, but it hasn't been that bad, thankfully, thank God. And I am healed from allergies and all skin conditions. So this I have not yet, because I still get skin conditions. Allergies though have been so much better. Thank you God. It has been so much better this year than it has in the last 2 years. So much better. Like I probably got hives like maybe 2-3 times this year, maybe less. Because some of them were actual like bug bites that look like hives, but they weren't. So that is, I'm very happy with that. Like, you guys have no idea how much like panic attacks I have when I even just get a little hive. So thankfully that has been good. I will be my own boss. I will have my own office. Obviously that hasn't manifested yet, and I don't know if it will, but gotta have that positivity going. So that may be for 2021. We'll see. Stay tuned. But yeah, so that's pretty much it. Those are the things that I manifested, and I still can't believe it. Like, I wrote all this down. It's crazy because a couple months ago, I think it was like, I want to say in like maybe July, it was when I was writing down my goals of like how many followers I want. I'll share those with you guys too, because that did happen this year. I just need to find the page where I wrote it. Okay, so one of the things I wrote, but that was after. Hold on. Okay, so I wrote exactly this. I will get this within the next couple of days. I put 12,000 followers on TikTok, 20,000 on Instagram, 150 subscribers on YouTube, and then when I had the OnlyFans, I had it for that too, but that doesn't matter. And I actually got all of those. So writing down and journaling helps so much, you guys. If you're going to start manifesting, or if you've already been manifesting, make sure you're journaling consistently, because it really helps. It really works. And then another one I had written a lot of them, but I only got 2 of those. So I put, I will get 1 million views on TikTok, which actually ended up being 3.3 million views. I will get 5,000 followers on Instagram, which I'm at 7 now. So yeah, so those are like just most of the things that I have manifested this year, and I know this doesn't really like sound like a big deal or anything, but just knowing that this actually works means something to me. It's something I'm gonna keep doing, keep going after my goals and all of that. So just make sure you're always being positive, and if you're new to the manifestation, law of attraction, then just make sure you try things out and see what's working for you, because I know there's like a lot of people that tell you to do things differently. It's like someone will say just do affirmation, someone will say do journaling, someone will say do both. Like for me, I feel like both of them help. So that's what I do. I meditate, I do affirmations, I do journaling. So if you guys are interested in learning more on my manifestation journey, please leave a comment below and I'll do more videos on the law of attraction and manifesting. And if you guys like this video, make sure you leave a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video.